A very tragic news coming in from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. In fact, we can confirm now that an Air India plane has crashed near the Ahmedabad airport, in particular in the Meghani area. In fact, the details as of now, what we have gathered so far is that a total of 242 passengers were on board, including 230 adults, 2 infants, and in fact 12 crew members. So this is the number which we have as of now. What we are understanding, the casualties are being calculated at this very juncture, but the flight was scheduled to reach London, and in fact the sector was Ahmedabad to London. And what we are also understanding is that the flight in command, Sumit Sabharwal, was co-piloted by Clive Kunder. There were total of 242 passengers, as I told you. And in fact, what we are also given to understand is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken the stock of the situation and spoken to Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. In fact, the details which are emerging right now are that the flight took off at around 1:38 p.m. and crashed 5 minutes after the takeoff. In fact, the visuals are also very scary, where you can clearly see smoke, the cloud of smoke emerging. In fact, the details as of now we are gathering at times now is that 242 passengers were on board. In fact, emergency services have rushed to the spot. Number of fire brigade teams are there at this very spot, and in fact, Civil Aviation Minister and his team is also reaching the incident spot. But at this very given juncture, we are also given to understand that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Civil Aviation Minister and took stock of the situation. And in fact, the Minister has informed the Prime Minister that he is rushing to Ahmedabad to oversee the rescue and relief operation on the ground. In fact, Prime Minister has also directed that to ensure all necessary support is extended immediately, and asked to keep for regular updates on this very situation. In fact, not only MOCA and DGCA are acting on this situation, but all the relevant agencies who are part of the rescue operations and search operation are continuing their efforts to understand this situation. In fact, a lot of details are still sketchy, but this is the update as of now.